Welcome back, everybody. I hope you all guys are doing awesome. So, in today's video, first of all, let me comment it. In today's video, we are talking about something really, really important, and that is tables. Table. If you write table, this is a table tag. Now, why we are using table in HTML? Sometimes we want to put data in tabular form, and for tabular form, we are using table. Inside of table, we are using table rows. TR means table row. And I'm sure you guys know every table have rows and columns. And here you guys can see TR means table row. In the first row, every first row of a table is like a heading, like bigger table heading. In here, if I put serial number, again, TH table heading. I'm creating this table for students. Okay, now you guys can see I create a table row and this table row contains heads. Now let me show you this part. You guys can see it all are heads. Now if I put in here again TR table row, now I want to put some data inside of this table. We have just headings of it. And for data, we say TD. TD means table data. And for table data, for example, serial number one and T, T again. And name is Elon Musk. No, this is not the Elon Musk of, this is not the billionaire Elon Musk. It's someone else. His father name is Father of Elon Musk. Table data, disabled or not? No, he's not disabled. So if I show you the data, you guys can see serial number one name is Elon Musk, father name is father of Elon Musk, and disabled, he's not disabled. Okay. Now if I copy this and I paste it in here and again once again paste it in here and I show you, you guys can see. Let me change the serial number of everyone. 2, 3. And names are same. It's don't worry. There is a lot of Elon Musk in this world. Oh, first serial number Elon Musk. Father name is also father of Elon Musk, and disabled. It's not disabled. Again, like that's how we can create tables. Now, maybe you guys have a question. This is not looking like a table. Like there is not borders inside of it. There is no lines. So in here in table, we need to put an attribute. Its name is border. If you click on the border, so why this is red? This because this tag is now removed from HTML, but it's still working. Why? So if it's removed from the HTML, then why we still have this? And if I show you border one, if I show you it's working, the border is working, then why it's still working? So because some old websites still have HTML4. So if they remove this tag, there is thousands of websites still running HTML4. If they remove it, the websites will be destroyed completely. So that's why they don't want to remove it and still working. We will not use this type of tags, but for now, you guys need to understand. And if I change it to border 2, you guys can see the border is now bigger. If I make it border 10, you guys can see the border is bigger now. Okay.